Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include satellite radio, leather seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Make a great choice today with the 2018 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.